About to leave for Donington. I have my gazillion bits of paper for my parking, my grandstand. I pre-booked my program so I can grab that. I'm just going to drive down. I'm currently in Leicester, that's where my grandparents live, and hopefully I get to see some more excellent racing. So let's wait and see. So this is my room. I've got to admit, after staying in a few Airbnbs, I love hotels so much. I have just got to my accommodation later than I intended because there was a car crash on the way, so I'm not going to hit the track today because by the time I get there, almost all the on-track action would be over. I have got my rental car, which looks like this. One of the strangest things about rental cars in foreign countries, and manual rental cars I suppose most likely, is having to YouTube how to put them in reverse. That's always quite a challenge. But I'm gonna head to the track tomorrow, spend the entire day there. Gates open at 7:30, so I will be there at 7:30, and I believe the on-track action finishes about 5-6 p.m, so gonna be a long day tomorrow, but I'm looking forward to it. A little bit of a different experience. The track's just there, and this is the way to the parking. My grandstand. More accessible than when I was in France, that's for sure. Lots more hospitality options, lots more friendliness, but I have found where to pick up my program. The sunburn is a little bit worse this time out, and I was wearing a hat this time too, but sunburn aside, I have had a wonderful Saturday. This time I did pay for the car parking, not realising that the car parking was actually inside the venue, as in you drive along the service road to get to your car parking, and you can watch all of the action from your car. It's that close to the track. So I'd also bought a grandstand, which I didn't need to do, but I'm also kind of glad I did. I was in the Hollywood grandstand and the view was tremendous. Tomorrow I'm just doing general admission and parking a while away and walking, just because I wasn't intending to attend on Sunday, but I'm sure it'll be spectacular because there were so many spots for just general admission. I do see why people would just pay for general admission. If I was coming back, I probably would just pay for general admission and get there early, secure a spot, that sort of thing. So many great viewing platforms, so many big screens around the place that you'll be able to watch the action from, and overall, just a really great Saturday. We did see the red flag come out. Fortunately, it does look like they're okay. Ankle injury, no head knock, all fully conscious, so that's good to hear, and hopefully we don't see any red flags today. So Sunday was as incredible as Saturday, really. We saw a lot more red flags, which is unfortunate, but I do have to give credit to the marshals and race direction who immediately threw the red flags when they thought they needed to, which is definitely something I think should be praised, definitely. Wonderful weekend, absolutely worth attending. It was just such a vibe, really. Really great atmosphere, really great crowd, so much to do and see, and you can really get up close with the bikes, which I just think is incredible. So overall a really great weekend, and I'm quite sad that that's the last race I'll be attending until Phillip Island for MotoGP, but yeah, overall I've had an absolute blast, and I'll do one of these for Phillip Island.